everyone, this is Shikha from Surreal Grapevine and welcome to my channel. Today I have another unboxing video for you guys. Today I present to you the Mimibox waxing special. So the reason that I bought this box was that my perception of it was that it's like a hair removal box. I'm mentioning it because I know a lot of people, I read a few reviews online. A lot of people were very disappointed with it, that it's not like a true waxing box and it doesn't have any waxing related products. But I guess they could have just gone so far if they included only waxing based products in it. The reason why I picked it was that I wanted to see if what could be new, what could be different, because there's just so much you can do with hair removal, right? You can wax, you can shave, you can use a cream, or if you're so inclined you can do a laser treatment. So I wanted to see if there could be something new, something different with respect to it. And Mimibox does very nice, very good themed boxes where you do come across very innovative products, and I was wondering if there could be something like that in this. So let me just quickly show you the contents of the box. Since it's a super box, it contains full-size products, and there are 5 of them here. Let me just show them to you one by one. Let's start off with this. This is the Intercourse Smooth Sensitive Removal Cream. This is 150 ml for $36, and like I mentioned, it's a full-size product. What they say about it is common removal lotion or laser hair removal includes legs, armpits and bikini line. This lotion is possible to treat unwanted hair in almost any area of the body. And those are the only words in English on the entire packaging. So let me just show you how it looks like. Like a cream-like, thick cream-like thing. And with it, they have given this applicator. It's like a thick ice cream stick kind of a thing. Let's move on to the next product, which is this Aloe Propolis Soothing Gel from a company called Benton. It's suitable for all skin type, for all types of skin, especially for troubled and sensitive skin that are easily irritated by external environments. This soothing gel contains 80% of aloe leaf juice and 10% of propolis extracts for moisturizing, soothing and protecting your skin from possible damages or losing moisture. Also, propolis extract delivers skin relief and relaxation. So they say that you can use this as after toner and essence application, as another step of skincare routine, or to treat red spots and blemishes on your face. It is very effective when used on red irritated skin after shaving or peeling. If you're sensitive to waxing as I am, so this could be like a really nice after waxing care for your skin if it actually helps to soothe it. So this is something that I am looking forward to. It comes in a very nice pump dispenser, and let me just show you how it is. It actually looks like a lot like just aloe gel. It gets absorbed into the skin. It is very watery, and it gets absorbed into the skin instantly almost. Not instantly, it gets absorbed into the skin very fast. It is odorless, and it gives you a nice slight cool feel to the skin. So this is again a full-size product, and this is 100 ml for $15. Coming to the next product in the box, they have sent in 5 sheets of this. This is the Angel Factory Underarm White Peeling Perfume Pads, and this is in the fragrance baby powder. So there are 2 parts to it. One is like a cloth, I believe it's like a cloth pad thing over here, and the second is this cream that you need to apply after it. So the idea is that you sort of cleanse the area, the underarm area, exfoliate it with this part, and then as a treatment you apply the cream. Since they mentioned it that it's full sized, I guess you get like a set of 5 for $30. So what they say is, if you've been troubling over darkened spots, uneven skin tone, or unnecessary odor from your underarms, this is the perfect solution for you. Follow the quick 3 steps to care for your underarms after having waxed them. So coming to the next product in the box, it is this one. It's Ray Pearls shaving and face wash. This is 200 grams for $12. Again, a full size product. What is interesting about this is its unusual texture, which they call it like a gum-like texture. It's like that. I know it's a little weird. It actually sort of dries, you know, you keep doing that, it sort of dries and becomes a little, it gets like a cloth-like texture, you know how cloth looks like a little fibrous and stuff. It sort of ends up looking like that. And when you go to wash it, you can actually feel that, you know, there's like a layer on your skin. So the idea behind this is that since it coats your skin, it prevents you from getting nicked by the razor. If it actually protects my skin, I'll be a happy camper. Next is what personally for me was such an utter disappointment to see, but anyways, it's the Dorco Tinkle 3 for women. It's a set of 2 razors for $16. I understand it's a hair removal box, but including razors and then 2 plastic razors, they cost $16. $16 for plastic razors. Are you freaking kidding me? I can go to the corner store, buy a Gillette disposable razor for 5 rupees. These in INR is anywhere from 700 to 1000 rupees, I think, which is ridiculous for plastic razors. Unless this is like infusing my skin with vitamins, minerals, hormones, I don't know what. That is an insane amount of money to pay for 2 plastic razors. I can buy one for 5 rupees. Hell will I spend like 1000 rupees on 2 razors? It's beyond me. It's like, it boggles my mind completely. If for some reason you see some sense in it, or you understand why they are asking for like $16 for this, please just leave a comment below and, like, you know, enlighten this poor soul, because for the life of me, I will never pay 1000 rupees for a razor. It's not even a freaking like a Gillette Mac 3, which is actually a fantastic razor, you know. But plastic razors, $16. I don't remember how much I paid for the box. I'm not sure. I will check it out and I will mention it in the accompanying blog post. So that's it for this unboxing. Do let me know what you think. I really didn't want to do another unboxing video so soon, but the thing is, like, I have a couple of them with me and a few more on the way. And since I had already started using this box, I was afraid that, you know, I will end up putting some product somewhere or misplacing the card or something and completely miss out on sharing this box with you guys. Please do rate, comment and subscribe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I will see you guys soon. Take care.